Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add Brave search to Firefox Mobile. Alright, first up, go ahead and open up your Firefox mobile app. Now go to the top right, tap on the three dots. Now tap on settings. Now in here we have search. Okay, so tap on it. Now we have here default search engine. So tap on it. And as you can see, we have Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, and Wikipedia. So to add Brave, just tap on the plus sign that says add search engine. Now give it a name, Brave. Now the search string URL, just type down https://search.brave.com / okay, search $Q equals %s. Okay, and just click on save. There you go. Here we now have Brave. So just tap on the toggle right here to start using Brave. Tap on the three dots if you want to edit it or delete it. And once that's done, you can now go ahead and test it out. Okay, as you can see here, we now uses the Brave search engine as default. If you want to change it, just click on the drop down and change it to Google or whatever you want. Okay, 1 + 1. There you go. Now uses Brave. That is it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.